To fix DeepSeek sound problem easy and quick. Welcome everybody, we will solve this problem together right now with you. Let's do it. Just open the settings of your mobile phone. Click at apps option and search for DeepSeek and click on it when you will find it. Here you're gonna see this list, scroll it down, click storage, click on clear cache only. Right now just back, click on force stop and click OK. So move after that to Play Store or App Store if you use iPhone, update DeepSeek. After updating the app, restart now your device and that's all. Don't forget to like and subscribe and